Hey guys, Mike, and what's your name again?
I don't know, Chris.
Chris from Urban Automotive, Oakville Ontario, Canada. Here today working on a cruising all day and leisure luxury and class automobile.
Yeah, 2009 Cadillac CTS.
CTS, what a powerhouse. We love them. All-wheel drive system, common problem.
The drive shaft, so here, the hanger bearing, the rubber likes to separate from the bearing itself.
Solution from our friends at GM.
Replace the entire drive shaft.
The entire drive shaft. Total cost to the customer, just under $2,000. Our friends at Dorman have come up with a solution, because they are the solution company. They have a hanger bearing that we can utilize and put on the drive shaft. You want to show us what's going on there?
Here. So, first off, I remove the front half of the drive shaft, and then remove the bearing housing, or the shaft housing I should say. And then here is your new hanger bearing. As you can see, between the old and the new, or the old, see it's completely separated. The rubber here is all new, with a brand new bearing. As you can see, now all I have to do is put it back together, put it in the car.
And our vibration's gone, our noise is gone, the rough drive is gone, and she's cruising all day in leisure, luxury, and class.
Yes.
Back at it. So what's involved with this is we have to drop the exhaust system in order to gain access, because the drive shaft runs up above it. So you can see where she connects in off of the drivetrain to the rear wheels.
This is your differential here, where it connects to, and this are the mounting bolts for that hanger bearing. This is where the hanger bearing sits.
So the whole point of the hanger bearing is to support the weight of the drive shaft, keep things in check and in line. And our friends at Dorman have come up with the solution, which saves our customer considerable money. Urban Automotive, safety first. Please hit subscribe. Like our videos. Please share with your friends and family. Urban Automotive, safety first.